This 5-minute solution will show you how to duplicate apps on iPhone. So if you install a WhatsApp app on your iPhone and you are using a WhatsApp account here, and now you want to use a different WhatsApp account at the same time, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, we will install an app. So go to your App Store and here search for duplicate app, and all you have to need, just install these dual accounts multi-social app on your iPhone or iPad. Once the app installed, let's launch the app. And now it's time to add or duplicate app here. To do that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right and let's add WhatsApp here. Okay, let's add Messenger first of all. So here I'm selecting Messenger and tapping on done and give a username and click on submit. And as you can see, the Messenger has been added. And here we can see I'm using an account in my Messenger app, and to use another Messenger account, I'm going to opening the dual account app, and here I'm tapping on Messenger. And now I need to sign into my Messenger account. So here's I'm going to give in my account credential and clicking on login. And as you can see, I logged into my Messenger account and now I can easily chat with anyone. So this is my second Messenger account and this is my first Messenger account. Now let's add or duplicate another app. So I'm tapping on this plus icon again, and here you can duplicate Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Gmail, Telegram, Snapchat. So now let's duplicate the Instagram application. And let's open the Insta application here. And now all you have to need, enter here your Instagram login credential and log into your account, and you will be able to easily use 2 Instagram accounts at a time. This is how we can duplicate apps on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.